Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Faster video. Today, I think we're just gonna have a little bit of fun with the CLK DTM. So, obviously in front of us, we have the 2005 Mercedes CLK DTM. Interesting fact about these is they were not delivered to the US. 100 of the coupes, 80 of the cabs. I think there's around 8 coupes in the States, so it's pretty cool. This car in specific used to actually be with a collection stateside that also had a CLK GTR. I think this was the first one that was imported, so it's got a US swapped VIN, but such a cool car. Obviously, these are powered by the supercharged V8s that Mercedes is so well known for. Nice. No, it does not do that. I wish, it would be great.
What are the horsepower and torque figures?
What are the quirks and features? Somewhere in the high 500s, and the torque, I'm not sure if I just drive it. A few really cool things about this car, obviously, extremely rare, limited edition. This car has my favorite wheels from factory that I've ever seen on any car. These things are stunning. And this car actually gets mistakenly called a C63 Black Series, which just because no one knows what it is, it's kind of under the radar and it has the wing on the Black Series. So yeah, whatever. But the really cool part about this thing is all the really niche and interesting stuff on the interior. For 2005, it's like crazy. So it's like we check out this door card. Yeah. For 2005, that just wasn't a thing. Everything in here, the whole rear carbon tubs, all carbon fiber, this brace bar's carbon, the whole bucket seat. Oh, just pure destiny. And then it's obviously got like all your race controls. So like the idea was to build like the DTM celebration car from 2002 one, I think. So like you got all your fancy little buttons, pure destiny. Oh, that's a good clicking noise right there. You got all your traction control and everything in the middle. The push to start actually doesn't work on these cars, which I find is very funny. Obviously, it's got your harness. Besides that, it's just like, I tell people this all the time, is that this is like if Mercedes built a GT3RS. I mean, just everything about it's so well built. It's such a little cool, niche, interesting car that never gets talked about. It's also just a blast to drive. I think we bought this one with 3,400 miles. I think it's got like 4,300 miles now. It's really cool to have this and the GTR, because the idea was to have a car that's much easier to drive than the GTR, because the GTR obviously is super easy to drive and I take it out every day, and yeah, not really. But this thing's just so pretty. The body lines are awesome. We got our fake rear air vents right here, which I like can't understand why they just didn't.
Yeah, poke them through. That is
all the way through. No, these are fake.
Yeah.
Literally just
plastic, yeah.
Bad. But it's really cool. So you got this wide body. I love how they just cut out the fenders. Like I love how it's just pure destiny. And it's got such a good looking rear end, I like to say, with a wang. But yeah, so I guess we're gonna do a little bit of canyon driving today. As you'll see, Dylan had a fun experience. Really stoked about it. He was McLoving it, as I like to say. So I hope you guys enjoy the canyon POV. We were just out with some buddies. We did a little canyon carbon, so a little pure destiny. And let's get into the video. nice, smooth, easy cannon drive.
Very smooth. Y'all are pretty quick.
How do I do this? I don't even know how to do this. We just did a little canyon run, and the whole squad's pulling over because Apex can handle the sauce. He's gonna yak.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe not, but like, don't feel great.
You can keep going. We might not hit the second canyon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, is it? Is it? Yeah. So Dylan, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, dude. I feel like
Dylan does not want to talk right now because the canyon run was a little bit too stern for Dillard.
yeah, he's quite the driver, this Devin guy.
And we weren't going that fast. Taylor just can't take the heat, I guess, so can't handle it.
I would not mind throwing up right now. I think that would be a good thing. I'm also just getting old, guys. Make fun of me in the comments. It is what it is. Yeah, wherever you go.
Salts like this, so like them in balance is so boring.
Yeah.
Long round.
Yeah. Check it out.
He's gonna
the lens cap off.
Yeah, usually that helps.
If the lens cap is on, you'll actually only see black.
Ah, smart.
That's what I've found in my experience recording. On the dot today, I think we did 205 miles.
Nice. What was that all about?
Well, what all about?
Getting dropped?
The what drop?
You got dropped.
All right, buddy.